To begin, power on the unit to show the service reminder. Press and hold the measurements button to the access settings. Use the fault button to navigate to service reset. Select Service Reset. 0 for 50 hours. 1 for 500 hours. 2 for 1,000 hours. Press Enter to reset. X to return to the main screen. Power cycle the controller to verify cleared timer. Please refer to the unit's instruction manual for additional information. Questions? Please contact us at 800-732-6762 or acce.customerservice@us.atlascopco.com. You can also use our Power Connect app for more helpful information.